Hello, this is Jeremy Sparts, teacher and creator of Lyrics to Learn, but also a parent whose kids are now trying to download apps, log into programs that they've used at school, and as a parent navigating that, it's sometimes a little difficult. So Lyrics to Learn is a program that your child is using or was using in the classroom and is now trying to use at home. This video is really to help you get your students logged in. You'll only have to do it one time. It's a safe and secure program used in all 50 states, and we use rhythm, rhyme, music, jazz, hip-hop, blues, a lot of different things to keep your kids excited with their reading and engaged. So we're going to go ahead and get started right now in terms of how to log in your students. So there are two ways to access Lyrics to Learn from home. You can use any web browser such as Chrome or Safari, or you can download the mobile app. Here we're going to go ahead and start with a browser. We're on Chrome right now, and the first thing you're going to do is go to lyrics2learn.com. It's a safe and secure site, and you'll see up here you have a parent login, a teacher login, and a student login. Because your kids already have accounts with their teachers, you're going to go right to the student login. Also keep in mind that the student login, if you're on a mobile phone and going to Safari or a web browser, that student login is going to look more like a little red headphone button. Okay, now the first thing you're going to do is type in your teacher's username. Your teacher's username should have been provided to you by the teacher. If you don't have it, we can't give it to you due to confidentiality. You'll have to email your teacher and ask for their username for Lyrics to Learn. You'll click Next with your student, and now go ahead and choose your student's name from the class list and type in their password. Click Enter, and that's it. You're in. You'll see the lesson that they've been assigned by the teacher, the different scores they're getting. They can earn awards as they go. Okay, so that about covers it in terms of your web browser. Now, if you are on a mobile app or you want to download the app from home using your mobile phone, I'll go ahead and pull up my phone here. You'll go to Google Play or the App Store, and you'll type in a search for Lyrics to Learn. Make sure you put that 2 in between Lyrics and Learn, and you'll go ahead and download the app. You can see I have mine in an education folder, and there's the Lyrics to Learn logo right here. You'll click on that, or tap on that rather, and swipe your way over to the login. Now again, because your student already has an account, you'll go ahead and tap on the I'm a student. Same process as before. You'll enter your teacher's username, click Next. Then you'll see your student's class list pop up, and you can choose your student, enter their password, and you'll be good to go. That should be all your kids need to get logged on and started. And once they've done this and you've helped them get on once, they should be able to do it independently from there on out. We hope that you and your family and all of the teachers, everyone is safe out there. Hopefully this gives your kids something that's both fun and productive in terms of reading at home. Again, thanks to all of you. We'll continue to do all we can.